Some of y'all don't need another strategy. What you need is some rest, some groceries, some clean clothes, and maybe a weekend to reset your whole life. Y'all, this week has been a lot between preparing for class, handling business, and getting ready for our swags to arrive any day now. I already know next week is going to be nonstop, crazy. We got hundreds of orders going out. Plus, I got a 3-day class coming up. So before all the chaos starts, I really need to be intentional about slowing down on the weekends. Baby, it has been life-changing. Lately, my weekends look a lot less like work. I've completely just unplugged. And it's more about resetting, right? I'm unplugging from social media. I've been spending more time with my family, even taking care of my home, meal prepping, washing clothes, folding laundry, the whole nine. Because when things get really busy, I have a bad habit of running on fumes. When I'm just pushing through, I can't explain how I feel. I feel way off. And when I'm like getting back in my element and I'm cooking and I'm working out and I'm taking care of myself, guys, that is everything. Just like this little gadget right here, guys, I had this, which is the Chef Preserve. I had this for about 6 months, never took it out the box. This was my first time using it, y'all, and I am in freaking love. So being able to meal prep is one of my favorite things to do. Because honestly, these quiet weekends have really become one of my favorite parts of the week. You be talking about good food, a clean space, family time. These are the little things that make life so much easier and just so much more enjoyable. Yeah, I've been in Atlanta now for 8 years, and I finally found some daggone Merlin crabs. And so I had some the other day. This is actually my second time having these crabs in probably about 2 weeks. But when I had it, it made me just want some good old seafood salad. Oh my God. I haven't had seafood salad in I don't know how long. Probably as long as I've been in damn Atlanta, because every time I try something for seafood here, they got their own thing they got going on. It tastes nothing like home, so I just stay away from it. And I listened to damn Chat, and Chat told me to put some sour cream in it. And baby, why did I do that? I should have just stuck with my regular recipe. But when I'm cooking, I like exploring a little bit. And yeah, this one, I should have just stuck with what I know. But it's okay. I'm definitely going to take it to lunch tomorrow because the shrimp is nice and big. But guys, I don't know why it took me so long to open this damn Chef Preserve, because it is so good. And I have a vacuum sealer, but it's just not as good as this daggone Chef Preserve. Baby, I didn't preserve my lunch meats. I did my chicken for my salads. I didn't season my pork chops and did them. I did my pasta. Baby, like what was I thinking about? I have no idea. But I'm in love. And I love the fact that they have the bags, the reusable bags. That's one of the biggest bonuses with this system. So I'm pretty set for the week. I'm excited because no matter how busy I get, I got some food to eat. And from the looks of it, baby, this is a pretty busy week. Starting with today, let's not forget, I got to check in with the family. So yeah, my calendar definitely have to be on my fridge and everywhere else because I will forget everything and everyone. Now, off onto this laundry, baby. If I don't get this done and be intentional about it, guess what? It won't get done. There will be like an entire month where I haven't done any laundry. And that stuff pile up, y'all. I wear the same thing like pretty much every day, but I have multiple sets of the same thing. It's like I have 4 loads of black clothes. That's all I wear. But today, guess what, y'all? I'm going to take it a step further because not only am I going to wash my clothes, baby, I'm going to fold my clothes just like a grown-up. But y'all, let this be your reminder that resetting does not always gotta look all glamorous. Sometimes it just looks like meal prep, some laundry, cleaning your space, and getting your mind right for the week ahead. Y'all comment reset if you've been so busy building your business that you forget to take care of yourself too, because I know I'm not the only one.